In a small, dusty town lived a young boy named Rahim, only 14 years old. Every morning he sat beside the road repairing torn shoes. His father had passed away and his mother was sick. Rahim was their only hope. He didn't go to school, he didn't have nice clothes, but every day he smiled, greeting customers with, Bhaiya, I'll fix your shoes good as new. People often ignored him. Some laughed, some threw their broken sandals at him without care. Still, Rahim kept working, quietly, humbly. One day, a rich businessman's car stopped near him. The man stepped out, holding his expensive leather shoes. Can you fix these? He asked. Rahim looked up and said, Yes, sir, I'll make them better than new. The man smiled but didn't believe him. He sat in his car watching Rahim work. The boy cleaned the shoes gently, stitched the leather with precision, and polished them until they shone like mirrors. When Rahim returned the shoes, the man was shocked. You did this? He asked in disbelief. Rahim nodded. Yes, sir. My father taught me, never return anything broken to someone who trusted you. The man's eyes filled with emotion. He handed Rahim a business card and said, Come to my company tomorrow. Rahim went, confused but hopeful. That businessman was the owner of a big footwear brand. He saw potential in Rahim and offered to teach him design, craft, and business. Years later, that same boy who once repaired shoes beside the road became the head designer of the company and opened his own brand called Rahim's Step. He never forgot the street he started on. He built a free shoe repair stall there for poor workers and kids. Moral: your situation doesn't define you. Your effort, honesty, and belief do. Even if the world ignores you today, work silently because your time will come.